With anything human related, we like to group things in categories such as binary, hurricanes, good, bad, like this. We like to keep things in groups. Binary numbers are determined based on how high or low a voltage is on a transistor from a certain point. If it's higher than 2 volts, it's a 1. If it's lower than 0.8 volts, it's a 0. So if you got like one of these, you draw another one. We're going to have 2 volts. If I can find the text. 2 volts equals 1. And then we got 0.8 volts. And then you have pretty much a slider of the volts. And it'll go up to 1, it's lower, it's a 0, and that determines the 1 and 0 based on the volts. So as you can see, it isn't really 1 or 0, it's the voltage being pushed through. With anything in life, everything is actually like a wave or number bound. We just set the boundaries so we can better understand it and better visualize. As you can see on here, 1s or 0s, we set them as categories, but it can really be any number in here in the voltage, obviously. With all the categories of 1s and 0s that can make up 0 plus more or below, with a minimum and maximum, is actually would be determined by the processor. For example, you got 32-bit, 64-bit, also lower 16-bit. I don't think we're going to get higher than 128-bit. I think we're probably going to have some other computer types by then. Maybe graphite computers, maybe quantum computers, maybe something else. maybe we may not even have bits. With this in mind, letters are just numbers with same colors and shapes. As you can see on here, colors, shapes, words, they're all determined by numbers. They're all numbers on the computer, basically. They go into the binary and then back into the voltage. Yeah. So with that, everything you do in your computer is all computer-based. But what makes up the foundation is not necessarily the numbers being computed, but the machine that creates them via the voltages, as I've been saying. But what about quantum computers? Well, that's opening up a can of worms. I'm not going to try to explain them, and they're a bit out of my depth. But they can be 1 or 0, or based on probability, and they can be changed if they're observed. Okay, that's all I got on this lecture. Oh, binary is not 1 or 0. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like these videos, leave a comment below. Maybe I can change these up, add more, do more of these type of videos. I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.